What's up? It's your boy, Money Making Squad, with Perfect Touch Autograph, the elephant rope. A gentleman was walking through the elephant camp and he spotted that the elephants were being kept in cages or held by the use of chains. All that was holding them back from escaping the camp was a small piece of rope tied to one of their legs. As the man gazed upon the elephants, he was completely confused as to why the elephants didn't just use their strength to break the rope and escape the camp. They could have easily done so, but instead, they didn't try at all. Curious and wanting to know the answer, he asked the trainer nearby why the elephants were just standing there and never tried to escape. The trainer replied, when they were very young and much smaller, we used the same size rope to tie them, and at that age, it was enough to hold them. As they grew up, they are conditioned to believe they cannot break away. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never try to break free. The only reason that the elephants weren't breaking free and escaping from the camp was that over time, they adopted the belief that it just wasn't possible. Moral of the story: no matter how much the world tries to hold you back, always continue with the belief that what you want to achieve is possible. Believing you can become successful is the most important step in actually achieving it. Try, 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 and try again. Feed your mind ideas of success, not failure. Remember, the only way you can fail is if you give up. Every time you fail, you come one step closer to success. You are not scared. You are courageous. You are not weak. You are powerful. You are not ordinary. You are remarkable. Do not back down and do not give up. Because when you look back on your life, don't have regrets. Believe in yourself. Belief in your future will find your way.